Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to set up the volume discounts or the quantity-based pricing on Shopify without using any applications on specific products that you want, and also showcase the discount that you have on those specific products that you want. For example, if I access this bracelet right here, the widget will not show up because this product doesn't have that discount. I added it only on this specific products, and the widget will show up only on this specific product. For example, it says buy 5 get 10% off. So the product is $20. If I added 5, then the total should be $100, right? So let's just add 5 for 5, and if I click on add to cart, the products, they will be added to the cart. And if I check out the cart now, as you can see, it's only $90. So it says buy 5, 10% off. So I will pay only $90. So how to add this on the specific products you want and showcase the widget on the specific products where you have discount, that's exactly what I'm about to show you. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard, because I already removed actually all the discounts and everything. If I get back here, reload the page, it's gone. As you can see, no more discounts available. How to add it back? That's very easy. Get back to Shopify dashboard, and the first thing we're going to do is create the discount. So click on discounts here on the left menu, click on it, and after that click on this create discount. If you already have some of them here, click on the button in here to create a new discount, and it will show you 4 options. So what we need here is the first one, amount of products. Click on it, and after that it will show you the page here where you can customize the discount and specify which product and so on. So the first thing you're going to do is the method. We need to specify the method of the discount. Click on automatic discount. This is exactly what we need. And the title, this one. So the title, you need to name it something that will be relevant to you and will also be relevant to the customer, because as you can see, it says here customers will see this in their cart and checkout. So the best example, I will do the same. So I will do buy 5 get 10% off. Yeah, that makes sense. And below is the discount value. You can click between a fixed amount or percentage. Well, percentage makes sense for this case, right? It's 10%. So I'm gonna type in here 10%, and below this option is applies to specific collections or specific product. So I'm gonna do it on the same one. So I'm gonna click on specific products, and I'm gonna click on browse, and I'm gonna search for silver, this one right here. So I'm gonna select that product. If you wanna add more, you can add multiple products, and you can even select a whole collection. So that's based on your preference. I'm gonna scroll down below, and you will see eligibility. So which customers they will have access to this discount. All customers, specific customer segments, which is completely different thing. I will do more videos covering the customer segments because you can do some really cool stuff with it. If you select it, you can select the segments if you have any, as you can see, or you can do specific customers and you can select which customers you want to give this option to. In my case, I'm going to do all customers, and below is the minimum purchase requirement. So either no minimum requirement or minimum purchase amount or the minimum quantity of items. So this one is based on the amount and this one is based on the items. So in my case, I'm gonna do minimum quantity items. I'm gonna do 5. So obviously they have to buy at least 5 to unlock the discount, which is 10% off. And below is the combination. If you want to enable discount to be used with other discounts as well, like shipping discounts, order discounts, on products discount. In my case, I don't want this discount to be used with any of these. So I'm going to keep this all not enabled, and the active date if in case you want to enable this one in the future or as of right now. So for me, I want to enable it as of right now. So I'm going to click on save. Now the discount has been created. We need to actually add the code, then specify where the code is gonna show up on, which is the widget. And you might be wondering, well, code sounds complicated. Not at all. So click on sales channel, and after that click on online source so we can access the theme customizer. And the first thing you're going to do is click on the 3 dots beside edit theme and duplicate the theme. This is very important. So the customization or just the code you're gonna pass, add it on the duplicated theme. If you like the changes, click on publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on edit theme for the customized duplicated theme, and after that click on home page at the top of the page and switch to the product page you are using. Now on the left menu right here, you will see template, as you can see, template and product information. Click on the arrow. The product information, in your case, it should be different name, depends on the theme you are using, but most of them, they have product name. Click on it to be expanded, and above buy buttons or anywhere you want to add it. Actually, in my case, I want to add it above buy buttons. Click on the plus button and search for custom block, custom liquid block, this one right here. And it will show you this prompt so you can paste in some code. Where you can get that code from me. So scroll down description box and you will see a link. Click on it We'll open up this page, and after that you will see this code, but hold on a second. So this code is for all products. So if you added this one, it will show up across all the products. In case you want to add the same discount on all products, add this code. And if your discount is different, for example mine is buy 5 get 10%, then you can edit the text. This one in green, make sure you edit it to whatever the discount is. If buy 10, make sure you change this one to 10, and also this text on the widget as well, make sure to enable it. So this is very important. These two right here is what you need to edit, just the text between the quotes, and make sure you keep the quotes, otherwise it will not work. That's very clear. Now, where is the code for only specific products you want? Down below. So scroll all the way down and you will see the widget on specific products only, and this is the code. So click on this icon to copy the code. In my case, I only wanted to show on one product, and what is it, this one, yeah, and click on the pasted in the custom liquid block, and after that click on save. Nothing will show up. Why? Because we need to specify which product we have the discount on, so this one will show up only on those products. How to do so? Very easy. Exit from the theme editor, access the products, and simply navigate to the product. Which one I added the discount is this one, Silver Trader Necklace. I'm gonna click on it, and the only thing I'm gonna do is on the tag section in here, I'm gonna add the tag discounted, just like you see, and make sure it's exactly how I wrote it and not in capital letter. Click on add discounted. Now, if I click on save, I'm gonna get back to the product page and reload the page, and here it is, buy 5 get 10% off. And if I click on add 5 product and click on add to cart, this one is per unit 20, the total should be 100. Oh, I already have one. Let me delete this one so we can do that again. If I add to cart again, and here it is, I bought 5, got 10% off, which I will pay only $90. So each unit I will pay $18 to be exact. And that's how you set up the volume discounts on your Shopify, which is the quantity-based pricing on your Shopify store without using any applications. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.